So you are uploading videos and you've tried, you know, thumbnails, better editing, even those YouTube growth hacks everyone talks about, right? But at the end, you find out that your views are still stuck, your subscriber count is still frozen, and deep down, you are wondering, is my channel dead? Well, here is the truth. It might be, it might not be, okay? But before you give up, I'm going to show you the shocking, brutally honest reason, okay, why your channel is flatlining and how you can be able to bring it back to life as fast as you can. So these are the same secrets some top creators won't tell you. So stick with me because what you will learn today could be the turning point in your YouTube journey. Now, before you jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, okay? And turn on your notification bell because I post videos every week that help creators to grow fast, smarter, and with way less stress, okay? Now, let's dive in, guys. Number one reason why your channel is dead is because, one, you are creating content for yourself, not for your audience. Yes. Now, why your channel is dead is because you are uploading video, you're uploading what you like, not even what your audience is searching for. Now, YouTube is a search engine and recommendation engine. So, if your content doesn't solve a problem, entertaining, or connect to a real interest, it won't perform. Okay? It will not perform. So, start creating for your audience, not for yourself. Now, how do you fix this? Go to YouTube search. Type your niche. I don't know the niche you are into. If you're into fitness or whatever, you can go to YouTube search bar, type fitness for beginners, and then look at the auto, complete. These are real user searches, okay? Now create content around those topics, right? Then also use free tools like ChatGPT or vidIQ to find low competition or high interest keywords. Okay, now answer this before uploading. What would make a complete stranger click this and watch all the way through? Okay, these are some of the hooking things you can actually search out for, right? The number two thing that can make your channel be dead is your titles and thumbnails are so boring. Shocking truth. Now, your content might be great, yes, but if your packaging sucks, no one will ever see it. And the YouTube recommends your videos based on click-through rates. Okay, so if no one clicks, the algorithm will stop pushing your video. So how can you fix this? Number one, make sure to always use titles that evoke emotion, urgency, or curiosity into your audience mind. Now, instead of you to say my daily routine, why not say this routine destroyed my anxiety? And it's so, something like that. Then when it comes to your thumbnail, make sure to like the image there, make sure that the face is big with strong emotion, bold, like let it have a bold readable text, maximum of 3 to 5 words. Yes. Then also create a visual promise. Make the viewers curious to find out what happens next. Then bring contrasts, zoom in and expressions, and a sense of actions. Okay, all these things work best. Now, if you won't click your own video on someone else's channel, don't post it yet, please. Do not. All right. Then another third thing that can make your channel or video to be dead is because your first 30 seconds are killing your video. Yes, shocking. This is one of the shocking secrets, right? Now, most viewers decide in the first 10 to 30 seconds if they will keep watching or bounce out of your video. Now, if you start your video with, "Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog, welcome back to my channel," you have lost them. You have lost them already. Sometimes it pisses people off. I myself, if you see the way I will jump out of your video, So that is it. Now, how can you fix this? Start with a pain point or emotional hook. Like, I almost deleted my channel last night. Here is why. Now, get to the value quickly. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly how I fix my dead channel, right? Then cut the fluff. No intros, all this, enough of the intros, okay? No slow motion, no slow pan, just punchy and storytelling or, clear to the point. Stop all those maga maga. Then check your audience retention. Okay, check the audience retention graph in your YouTube studios to see where people drop off and also try to improve in that aspect. Then the number 4 part of it is you are not creating watch session value. What is really happening? Now, YouTube doesn't care about just one video. It cares about whether your content keeps people on the platform longer. Okay, now how can you fix this? Create a series or connected content. Make your videos bingeable. Use end screens to point to the next video and verbally tell people where to go. Now that you've seen why your channel is not growing, go watch this one next video, okay? It's how I went from 0 to monetize in 60 days. You know, those things, okay? Now, the next thing you have to do is to add playlists with clear themes. Now, YouTube growth series, maybe beginners editing tips and all of that thing. All right, so that is it. Now, this trains the algorithm to recommend more of your content, and that is how channels go from flat to explosive. Then number 5 is you are inconsistent, and the algorithm knows that you're inconsistent. This is a brutal truth. Now, YouTube is like a muscle, right? If you post randomly once this week, then 3 weeks later, the algorithm forgets about you. Okay? Worse, your audience will also forget too. So how can you fix this? Pick a posting schedule you can actually sustain. All right. If it is once a week that you can be posting your video, good and fine. Make sure that you maintain that once a week. All right. Make sure to also batch your content ahead of time. Record 3 to 4 videos in one day and schedule them. I do scheduling a lot. All my videos, I schedule them because I know that I'm a busy person. I don't have that much time, right? Then treat it like a job, not a hobby. Content creating is a job. Yes. So if you want a full-time result, you can't give part-time effort. All right. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum builds growth. That is it. The number 6 is you are ignoring the data. This is a true, like one of the secrets nobody will tell you. And most creators, guys, most creators post a video, watch views for 24 hours, then move on. That's a waste. YouTube gives you all the data you need to grow for free. So how can you fix this? Do well to study your audience retention. Where are they dropping off and why are they dropping off? Check your traffic source. Is YouTube search working? Are you showing up in suggested? Okay. Then also look at the click-through rate. If it is under 4%, your title or thumbnail needs to be worked on, right? Then also watch your engagement metrics. Comments, likes, and share. All signals values. All of them have its own value. Okay? So you need to learn from the numbers. Every underperforming video is a lesson, not a failure. Then finally, guys, I don't want this video to get longer. If any of these hits you so hard, that is very good. I'm very, very happy because this actually means that you are ready to do something about it. So please do want to hit that like button if you are done with dead videos and ready to grow for real. Okay, comment below which one of these mistakes have you been making. I read every single one of your comments, and do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, okay, because YouTube will come back, and also it have to start today. All right. So listen, guys, every successful YouTuber you admire has a dead channel. Okay. The difference, they didn't quit. That is the only difference. They got smarter. They learned the system and they showed up even when the views were low. So this video gives you the blueprint. Now it is your turn to bring your channel back to life. Thank you very much. Stick around and see you again in my next video.